What's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious and juicy peri peri chicken breast. If you haven't seen my previous video on how I make my peri peri sauce, I highly suggest you go and watch that video first, as it's the sauce that makes this chicken so good. And if you're using a mobile, I'll leave a link up here, and I'll also leave a link in the description below. Please sit back, relax and enjoy.
To get this started, here I have 2 large chicken breasts, and we're going to pour over 1 cup of our homemade peri peri sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. We're then going to rub the peri peri into the chicken, making sure it's very well coated. Place over some cling wrap. This will lock all of those flavours in and prevent it from drying out. We're then going to put this into our fridge from anywhere between 4 to 24 hours. The longer the better, as this will allow the marinade to fully flavour the chicken, and then our end result will be absolutely amazing. Then our chicken's been marinating for 24 hours. I've got it out of the fridge 15 minutes before I'm going to cook it, and this will allow the chicken to cook a lot more evenly. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a large heavy base skillet onto the stovetop, put it onto a high heat, and allow the pan to get nice and hot just before smoking point. Once our pan's nice and hot, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just give that a swirl around. Then we're going to place in our chicken breast and sear these for 45 seconds on each side. After 45 seconds, I'm going to flip them over and sear them for a further 45 seconds. I'm then going to brush over the chicken with any leftover peri peri sauce that was in the bowl that we marinated them in, and this will bring off extra flavour. We're then going to place these in the oven for 14 minutes. Then 5 minutes before this is cooked, we're going to remove it from the oven and brush the chicken with 2 tablespoons of fresh peri peri sauce. This will just give it a nice fresh coating and to make sure that we get a really nice flavour at the end of it. And then put this back into the oven for 5 minutes to finish off. Then after 5 minutes, our chicken is looking and smelling absolutely amazing. I'm going to allow this to rest for 5 minutes, and this will allow all of the juices and flavours to be locked in, resulting in a really delicious chicken breast. Now after 5 minutes of resting, as you can see, the chicken is perfectly cooked and really juicy, and that peri peri sauce has seeped right into it. Now let's give this a try. The flavour on that is incredible. It's tangy, garlicky, sweet, has the perfect amount of spice, and it's extremely juicy. You can serve this chicken with a variety of different sides, such as salads, rice and corn. It can also be put into a burger, or if you're like me, I'm going to eat this all on its own. This is seriously the perfect dish.
I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification next to it so you never miss when I upload. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.